Is this the same baby or not? I want this baby, but it has this hole, but the other baby that it has doesn't. Does it have? Wait, no, it has a flower, but it doesn't show.
Ano, masaya ka na
The
ba?
list that it
Ha?
has a flower.
Bumiyahe ka pa Amerika nang hindi man lang ako
I
pinupuntahan.
like this baby. It's
Eh,
not
ano
the
mo na
same
si Santi ka? Ha?
And this,
Sa dinami-dami ng pwede mong puntahan, bakit dito ka pa pumunta?
Like, oh,
Nasusunog
it
na.
can go like this.
Nasusunog na! Kasalanan mo yan. Nakatulala ka kasi.
I think the voice changer is in the back. The voice changer is in the back. I'm scared. I got a diaper. It's a cute little diaper. The baby diaper is so cute. Oh, so this is where it's gonna be. Ooh, it looks like a real diaper as mine. Just joking. I'm not gonna be. I'm a big girl. I don't need a diaper. The diaper smells. I don't know how to take care of a baby.
Nagagawa mo bang kumanta-kanta ngayon, ha? Hindi ka nga marunong kumanta. Ha? Ano ba yan? Ba't ang kati? May kumakausap kaya sa akin? Oo, meron talaga. Naririnig mo ba? Pasaway ka.
I think I'm gonna also take the baby bottle. I'm gonna take the baby. 3, 2, 1. I'm so nervous. I'm super scared because this has a voice, and I hate when a baby has a voice. I just love baby that doesn't have a voice. 1, 2, 3. I got the baby bottle. The baby doll is kind of cute. Is it a real? Yeah. Get this thing. I don't know. I wonder what can you put this with water, girl?
Pasok.
I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna take this. I got this. My goodness, I hate this. I hate when I bought this creature. Not a creature, but a baby. It only has three items. Where is the thing? Where is it? Who cares? I chose 3 times. Okay, we got the baby bottle. There, I don't know. I'm not gonna say. And the diaper.